I'm having too much fun now. It's time to play another game. Let's play Whose Legs Are Those? Think you know some of them already? Have a look through and see if you can guess any. If you know them, comment now. Right, number 1 is And Tell Me. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4 is... Comment number 5 is... Or number 6 is... And let me know. Let's get started with the pink surprise. Do you know who those legs and wings belong to? Do you know who it is? Write a comment below if you know who the first one is. Right, the first one was And Tell Me. Let's try another. Who do you think these legs belong to? Do you know that shell? It's Michelangelo from the Ninja Turtles. If you're clever enough to get it, comment below. I got number 2. Here's a tricky one. Who might these grey legs belong to? Any ideas? Here's a hint. It's Batman! Did you get it? Give the video a thumbs up like if you got it. The purple Play-Doh is hiding someone special. Do you know who? It's Minion, Tom Googly Eyes with his grabber. Did you get it? If you got this one, comment below. I love Minions. Let's try green. Do you know whose legs and boots they might be? It's Count Von Count from Sesame Street. 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. Hope you got it. If you got it, comment below. Count Dracula. Let's try the blue one. It's the easiest of them all. Any ideas? It's Pikachu from Pokemon. How did you go overall? Share this video and post your score out of 6 to everyone. Write to your friends. Try this game. I got 6 out of 6 if you did. I'm having too much fun now. Thanks for watching. Share, post your score, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for all the fun to come.